Hey guys, it's Sohna. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a makeup look for you guys. It's a Christmas look, Christmas Eve glam, and I just decided to have a little bit of smoky eyes and put my hair up in a half up, half down. It's a 3-in-1, so I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I did filming it, and I'll see you guys. I'm gonna start off with my face, then my hair. So the next clip's gonna be me doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. And I hope you guys enjoy this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. So I've already done my eyebrows, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face. And I'm gonna prime with the Fenty Beauty primer. Which one is this? This is the first one. I think they have like a hydrating primer. This is just a regular one. We're just gonna go ahead and put that all over the face. And I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty foundation, which is almost finished, in the shade 470, sorry. This foundation, like, it's so good. I think we all know that by now. Like, it when I use it, my smile lines don't show as bad as when I use them, as bad as when I use other foundations. So this is my jam. I'm gonna use this real technique brush to just like dab it in. Since I started wearing makeup, like, this is I still have the same brush that I was using since then. I just bought like almost $90 worth of brushes, and I think somebody stole my package. This place is ghetto.
I'm in the ghetto. Ratatata. Ratatata. Ah!
Hey, that means somebody stole it. I emailed them, but they haven't replied yet, so hopefully they can send me another one. Because that was hella expensive. I bought like a whole set. And I'll be really mad if I don't get to use them. This foundation is kind of red, but like, it's gonna work when we're done with concealing and everything. Like, I tried not using foundation on my forehead, but that doesn't work for me because my skin has hyperpigmentation. So I have to actually put a little bit of foundation. You know, we all don't have perfect skin. This foundation really feels like skin. Okay, I didn't even tell you guys what makeup I'm doing. I'm doing a New Year's Eve look. So I have this dress. It's like silver, and it has like this. I bought it from Fashion Nova. It has all the sparkles in them, but it was my birthday dress. I didn't get to wear it because it was too tight. It was literally squeezing my hips, and then but the top part was pretty good because I have a small chest and a big bottom. So it's very hard for me to find like something that fits me perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with my Elegant Pro Concealer. Yeah. I used to use chestnut, but this is toast. I'm not sure if it's too light or too dark or darker than the chestnut, but I hope it works. I'm going to let it sit for 2 minutes before I actually blend it in. I'm trying to look at the lens instead of the viewfinder, but like, it's very hard because I'm seeing myself, so you know, I always do that. But I'm doing my best, okay? I'm doing my best. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and blend the concealer in. I'm going to go ahead and go over my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna Now highlight. That was just concealing. Now I'm gonna highlight with ColourPop concealer in the shade Dark 42. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty contour in the shade Espresso. I want my face to be lifted, so like I'm kind of swiping it to go up instead of like down. Now we're gonna go ahead and set the. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eyes and my eyelid. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D setting powder to set all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and like put it on my palm, like go over my face with it. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mami. I'm gonna do like a reverse contour. I'm gonna use this sponge that I used to conceal my face. Just like. So now we're gonna move on to the eye look, and I'll be using the Jackie Aina palette. And first, I will be going in with edges all over my eyelid. That's a bait. So there's edges all over my eyelid. You guys, you see how my brother like kind of like this? I think when I was gluing my wig, like it pulled my face. I'm not hitting it down. It's kind of cute. So next, I'm gonna go in with Credit. Now I need a brown shade because it's not brown enough. It's ColourPop black. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash. I use the rest of the product in the brush there, and I'm using Credit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. To make my eyes pop, I'm gonna go into Trust Issues and put that in my inner eye corner. To highlight, I'm gonna use Artist Couture highlighter. I use this brush and just dip it in the lid. Blush, I'm gonna use my James Jones palette, shade right here. This brush. I'm gonna line my lips with NYX lip liner. It's a brown shade. And for lipstick, I'm going with my NYX lingerie lipstick in shade 11. I'm gonna go over it with NYX butter gloss in a shade tiramisu. Okay, now that the face is done, I'm kind of struggling with my lash, so don't pay attention to it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I think I'm gonna do half up, half down. Oh, should I just leave it like this? Let's see. Let's try the half up, half down first. Not my head size. That's where the back is always like showing. So I need to pin it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dress up, and I'll see you guys after I have my outfit on. And this is the outfit. It's so cute. And I have some personal nails too. Here's my hair, makeup, and dress, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.